Hello, and welcome to Danish with Sujin. Today, we're learning Danish numbers from 1 to 100. We'll take it slowly and calmly. Let's begin with numbers 1 through 10. Listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, please repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Let's continue with 11 through 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once more, nice and steady. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, we'll take the tens. These are important because we use them to make bigger numbers. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Combining numbers. In Danish, we say the units first and then the tens. For example, 21, 34, 57, 89. Your turn. Let's practice a few numbers. 25, 25. 46, 46. 73, 73. 98, 98. Well done. Really nice work. Remember to like the video and subscribe for more daily Danish lessons. Keep going. You're doing great. And comment, how do we write this number?